My sister and I could barely get together 1 month's pocket money. But these two sisters, they have actually created a 600 crore rupee business with healthy food just from an experiment in their kitchen. इसी को देख के माँ बाप बोलते हैं कि इनसे कुछ सीखो. Hi guys, मैं हूँ कृति and today we are going to talk about Yoga Bar, which is one of the biggest creations and the biggest healthy businesses of our time, created by two sisters, Suhasini and Anandita Sampath. Suhasini and Anandita Sampath, both of them lived in Bangalore. इनको एक problem हुई, they didn't have the right kind of healthy and delicious snacks, so they decided to create it. और create क्या किया? They disrupted an entire industry and made a 600 crore rupee business out of it. इस सीरीज में हम आपके लिए लेकर आ रहे हैं वो businesses जिनसे हम और आप कुछ सीख सकते हैं. We will discuss the business breakdown और इससे हम क्या lessons अपने लिए apply कर सकते हैं and how to upgrade your life with it. In today's video, we are talking about two sisters, Anandita and Suhasini Sampath. इन्होंने बैंगलोर में अपने किचन से एक बिजनेस शुरू किया था and they have actually created disruption in the market. And today's video is about how we can learn some lessons from these two sisters and how we can apply it to upgrade our own lives and maybe start a business. We live in times of overnight success. सबको रात भर में एक बहुत बड़ा स्टार बनना है, वायरल बनना है और बहुत बड़ा 100 करोड़ का बिजनेस शुरू करना है. But what does this story teach us? इन दोनों बहनों की कहानी teaches us the importance of family, sisterhood in relationships and making a strong business with a good partnership. It also teaches us audaciousness, solving a problem and real grit, what it really takes to build a business. Our story begins not in a corporate office, but in a simple home kitchen. सुहासिनी और अनंदिता को एक बहुत ही कॉमन प्रॉब्लम होती है and that was the lack of healthy snacks. ये लोग बैंगलोर में रहते थे and सुहासिनी and अनंदिता both were health conscious, fitness conscious. They would go to yoga class and after yoga class they would wonder कि अब what healthy snacks can they have. Now the problem is everything in the market had a lot of sugar, had hidden fats and basically didn't have clean labels and really problematic ingredients which would not help their health in any way. They saw a gap, they saw a problem. They thought अगर ये problem हमें हो रही है तो और लोगों को भी हो रही होगी. And that's where they identified a gap in the market and they identified a demand for a product like that was clean, healthy and could be eaten by fitness enthusiasts and health conscious people. And that was the birth of Yoga Bar. Suhasini and Anandita had complementary skills. Suhasini is from a finance and operations background and Anandita is good in brand building and marketing. Both of these sisters' complementary skills came together to cement a brand that was worth buying and worth growing. More importantly, often family bonds are underestimated when it comes to businesses in India. We don't realize how important it is कि जब आप business build कर रहे हो तो trust factor कितना important है. And this sisterhood and their strong relationship really helped cement the base of the business. जब भी आप एक partner के साथ काम करते हो, कोई भी misunderstanding होती है in a family owned business, it's easier to get over those misunderstandings because you do have the bond that you shared for so many years. Which is why this business also had the background of family and had a very strong bond and backing that helped them grow. This is the first lesson in their business. The importance of finding your own tribe, upgrading your relationships and creating a product like this. The second lesson is transparency. When Suhasini and Anandita tried to build this brand, उनको पता था कि in the market there is a lot of unhealthy ingredients in the products that are available. That's why they focused on clean labels and healthy ingredients. No artificial flavors, no extra sugar, no hidden sugar. They used real ingredients like nuts, oats and things like that. They were health conscious, so they made sure that the products that they were creating were of a high quality standard. And creating a high quality product and a high standard of quality and maintaining this transparency with clean labels really helped cement this brand. This was the first lesson in business. Find your tribe and build on trust. Upgrade your relationships and then build a business, a product. Anandita and Suhasini both had a common pain point और उनका frustration ये था that they were not able to find good healthy snack bars or snack ingredients, and they got to their kitchen to experiment to find the right product or to create the right product. Their goal was simple. They wanted a really and truly healthy product which had a clean label, and to achieve this goal it meant endless batches of granola bars and a lot of hits and misses. They did not want any artificial ingredients, any unreal ingredients. They only wanted the highest quality real ingredients, and this actual sourcing of high quality standard ingredients is what became the biggest hurdle or the first hurdle in their journey. It was not easy to find oats, sugar, sweeteners, things that were actually clean and high standard quality, and it was difficult to go around the hidden riff of all these artificial ingredients and flavors. And they maintained a very, very high quality. So what they were doing in the industry was they were creating a new standard for ingredients that had no place for any hidden things from the consumer. Now what they did differently, जो बहुत सारे बड़े brands नहीं कर पाते हैं, is that when they started this process and these kitchen experiments, they went door to door. इनके पहले customers थे इनके family और friends और इनके local gyms. And because they went door to door, they actually were able to perfect their recipes based on real feedback. This feedback earlier on in the business was very, very valuable for them to build this product, to build this brand. Because they actually got to know कि health conscious customers को चाहिए क्या. And this became the cementing of this very powerful brand, not in terms of taste but also in terms of product quality and actually serving the gap in the market. Their biggest breakthrough came because of online distribution and online sales. बहुत ही early on इन्होंने realize किया e-commerce distribution का potential, and Amazon became a very key partner in their journey. In fact, Amazon के success stories में you can actually see how big a part they played in the distribution and the success of Yoga Bar. In fact, Yoga Bar is one of those stories जहाँ पे they were able to bypass the retail distribution system जो offline marketing में काफी difficult होता है, and they were able to leverage the online sales very well earlier on in Amazon. And this not only became an important part to build the brand and get the brand known pan-India, it also became a great distribution system, so they didn't have to go door to door or to retailers all across India. This D2C approach helped them control their brand messaging. It also helped them gather real customer feedback and build a loyal customer base and a community that really loved their brand. This online strategy really helped them manage their cost. और स्केल करने के लिए दे यूज्ड ऑनलाइन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, तो उनको रिटेल में, ऑफलाइन रिटेल में बहुत ज्यादा इन्वेस्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. दिस इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट लेसन टू अपग्रेड योर बिजनेस स्ट्रैटेजी. When you're starting a business, leverage these models that put you directly in touch with the customer. And it's very important to note that in today's day and age, the retail offline model से जितना important या ज़्यादा important है आपका online digital storefront. It is equally important, if not more important, in today's day and age. The founders have always indicated that this product is better and higher in quality than traditional FMCG products. This is because of careful sourcing, efficient manufacturing and premium positioning for Yoga Bar. असली बात तो ये है कि जब प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छा हो तो प्राइस पॉइंट भी जस्टिफाई हो जाता है. The kitchen experiments were successful and it was a product to market fit. Amazing, na? And now the next step was to scale. That means from a kitchen setup, they had to create a manufacturing setup and also expand their product line. And how do you do that? Raise capital. पहला investment आया Fireside Ventures से. Now this particular venture capitalist firm is known for backing consumer-based products. And this first round of funding really helped them start to scale, and it was a great validation for the founders to know that this product is working. सबसे बड़ा गेम चेंजर आया इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ITC, जो एक बहुत बड़ी FMCG कंपनी है. यू नो कि इंडिया में FMCG में ITC is one of the biggest companies, and they in July 2022 acquired almost a quarter of the company for 175 crores. Yes, you heard that right. ये जो इन्वेस्टमेंट था, इससे योगा बार का वैल्यूएशन मार्केट में 675 करोड़ का बन गया। कैन यू इमेजिन? फिर आया एक और मेजर ब्रेक थ्रू, जब आईटीसी ने योगा बार को अक्वायर कर लिया और सारी कंपनी को खरीद लिया 420 करोड़ रुपए में, और इसके बाद योगा बार बन गई एक आईटीसी की सब्सिडरी। इस एक्विजिशन से योगा बार की टोटल वैल्यूएशन 600 करोड़ से भी ऊपर हो गई। दिस मेजर टर्निंग पॉइंट ऑफ द एक्विजिशन एक्चुअली वाज ग्रेट फॉर योगा बार, क्योंकि इससे उनको मिल गया आईटीसी का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नेटवर्क, उनकी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, एंड नॉट जस्ट दैट, दे आल्सो गॉट द मार्केट इनसाइट्स दैट आईटीसी हैज। This major acquisition enabled Yoga Bar to accelerate its growth. They were able to reach new markets and also introduce a new product line. Now, Yoga Bar सिर्फ Yoga Bar नहीं बना रहा था. They were also selling breakfast cereal, muesli, they were selling oats and peanut butter. This transformed Yoga Bar from a startup to a major player in the health market for snacking. So this is a real lesson for us. कैसे एक स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनर आपकी ग्रोथ को अपग्रेड कर सकता है। सुहासिनी और आनंदिता ने सिर्फ अपनी कंपनी ऐसे सेल नहीं कर दी, बट दे फाउंड अ स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनर जिन्होंने उनको हेल्प किया ऐसे हाइट्स रीच करने में जो वो सिर्फ अकेले अपने आप नहीं कर सकते थे। इनकी ग्रोथ को हम इनके रेवेन्यू में ही देख सकते हैं। 2022 में इनका रेवेन्यू अराउंड 70 करोड़ का था, और यहाँ 2024 में 75% से बढ़ के इट्स बिकम ऑलमोस्ट 200 करोड़। तो इनका जो CAGR है वो ऑलमोस्ट 75% बढ़ा है। इसको कहते हैं ग्रोथ। 2023 में जो इंडिया का हेल्दी फूड स्नैक मार्केट है वो 950 करोड़ के करीब था, विद इमेंस ग्रोथ पोटेंशियल। योगा बार इस मार्केट में एक लीडिंग प्लेयर बन गया है, एंड दे आर मीटिंग अ नीड दैट वाज नॉट बीइंग मेट बाय एनी अदर मार्केट प्लेयर। योगा बार एक केस स्टडी बन गया है। इट इज अ ग्रेट लेसन इन अपग्रेडिंग योर लाइफ विद मॉडर्न एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप। व्हाट कैन वी लर्न फ्रॉम सुहासिनी एंड आनंदिता संपत? सबसे पहला लेसन है बिल्ड फ्रॉम योर पर्सनल नीड। उन्होंने एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व की जो उनकी एक पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम थी। दे डिड नॉट फॉलो एनी मार्केट ट्रेंड। तो हमेशा अपने प्रॉब्लम्स को देखो, गैप्स को आइडेंटिफाई करो और उससे डिमांड के ऊपर बिल्ड करो। ऐसा नहीं कि कोई भी ट्रेंड चेज करते जाओ। सो द फर्स्ट थिंग वुड बी टू स्टार्ट बाय अपग्रेडिंग योर ओन प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग। सेकेंड लेसन इज अपग्रेड योर एजिलिटी। They tested their product and they iterated it over and over again. From kitchen experiments to customer feedback, उन्होंने अपने product को constantly refine किया and they made it worth selling. What can you learn from this? आपको डरना नहीं चाहिए अपना imperfect product customer को दिखाने में. Get the product out. शुरू में imperfect ही सही, you can always refine it with customer feedback. Upgrade your values. आपको ब्रांड ट्रस्ट पे ज्यादा फोकस करना है ओवर शॉर्ट टर्म मार्जिन। इन्होंने सबसे पहले लोगों की लॉयल्टी और ट्रस्ट को गेन किया विद द हेल्प ऑफ क्लीन लेबल्स, गुड क्वालिटी इंग्रेडिएंट्स एंड करेक्ट सोर्सिंग, और इससे इनकी काफी अच्छी लॉयल कस्टमर बेस बिल्ड हुई जिसके ऊपर ये बाकी ब्रांड को बिल्ड कर पाए। अगर आप अपना बिजनेस शुरू करना चाहते हैं तो पहले ऑथेंटिसिटी और ब्रांड लॉयल्टी और ट्रस्ट पे फोकस करिए, इससे पहले कि आप मार्जिन्स और प्रॉफिट के पीछे भागें। अपग्रेड योर नेटवर्क। ये दोनों बहनें आनंदिता एंड सुहासिनी, दे स्टार्टेड आउट विद अ रियली गुड रिलेशनशिप टू बिगिन विद, एंड एज दे वेंट अलोंग दे एक्चुअली बिल्ड वेरी गुड स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप्स विद Amazon एंड ITC, जिन्होंने इनको लॉन्ग रन में हेल्प किया। सो डोंट फॉरगेट, जब आप अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो गिव वैल्यू टू गुड रिलेशनशिप्स, स्ट्रेटेजिक नेटवर्क एंड पार्टनरशिप्स। योगा बार का बिजनेस हमें क्या सिखाता है? इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट कि आपका विजन सही हो, मेक अ कमिटमेंट एंड गिव रियल वैल्यू टू योर कस्टमर्स, और इससे एक सिंपल आइडिया भी एक बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस बन सकता है। सुहासिनी एंड आनंदिता डिड नॉट जस्ट बिल्ड अ ब्रांड, दे बिल्ड अ मूवमेंट फॉर अ हेल्दियर इंडिया। अगर आपको भी अपनी लाइफ को अपग्रेड करना है तो आप भी अपने फाइनेंसेस, हेल्थ और ऐसे ही एफर्ट्स के साथ, कमिटमेंट के साथ छोटे छोटे हैबिट से शुरू कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो और हमारी ये सीरीज पसंद आ रही हो तो ये वीडियो भी जरूर देखिएगा, और उसके बाद आप इसको शेयर करना मत भूलिए, लाइक करना मत भूलिए और सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल फॉर श्योर। एंड व्हेन यू डू दैट, hit the bell icon because it really helps us and you will get notified the moment we put up a video.